So over to the cookie board with Karen. Indicated impact. Expect damage to roofs. Siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Johnson Creek and Geneva around 7:55 p.m. Cal Lake and Cal around 8 p.m. Watertown Airport and Watertown around 8:05 p.m. Burlington Airport and Silver Lake around 8:10 p.m. Lapham Peak State Park and Waterford North around 8:15 p.m. Pleasant Prairie and Wind Lake around 8:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Tibbetts, LaGrange, Hebron, Bells Corners, Milford, Spring Prairie, Springfield, Rome, Helenville, and Pipersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Intense squall lines can sometimes produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.